Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a cosmetic tutorial. I know you guys have been wanting this for ages. The only thing is, other players cannot see it. Only the player that's wearing it will be able to see it. So, yeah. So first things first, I'm going to provide a Discord link in the bio. You guys want to go over to this server. I'm working on it currently. And you want to go down to public code. And you're going to copy... First you're going to copy the first one. And then copy the first one, make a script called enable cosmetics, then paste it in there. Then you're going to head back over, grab this piece of code, make a script called disable cosmetic, and paste that in there as well. Once you have done that, you can use any XR rig, it doesn't have to be the Gorilla Rig one. But yeah, so first you're going to click on the left and right hand controller, and you're going to add a sphere collider, and turn is trigger on and change it to 0.05. So they should like that. Alright. Now you are going to want to make your buttons. So for this, I'm going to go very simple. You guys can customize it however way you want it. But I am just going to go very simple and just do a white one and a red one. Even make it a bit smaller. Alright, good. And then make a color red or something. Drag it on to the one on the right or the left. Change it to red. Okay, now you want to paste the enable script onto there and the disable script onto there. And then once you go around, you should see cosmetic to enable. Now, so paste in enable, well, import your cosmetic. For this, I'm just going to do a capsule. So say this is my cosmetic, you're going to rename it to whatever. So I'm just going to name mine cosmetic, just like that. Scale it down to its size, take away the sphere collider so it doesn't collide with the player. And say you have Normcore imported, you're going to let me just quickly import it. So I'm going to do explaining. So you're going to go obviously download or install Normcore. You can use Photon with this as well, but I'm just going to use Normcore for this because I don't have Photon set up in this project. You can skip this part. I'm mainly just going to talk about it. So you guys can skip until you see me off the web because I need to go on here. Got Normcore. Okay, once it's imported, I'm getting errors. I'm not really sure why. Just let this finish. I'm just going to be checking Discord. Okay. So that's my project. Just click close. Just wait for it to reload the thingy. Alright. Once you're done, just let the scripts compile. There we go. Now we can exit out of this. And I'm guessing you guys are probably using Normcore. You know how to set up real quick. Import Normcore by the asset store. Go over to normal examples. VR player, drag real time up here, put your app key in. Just watch my latest video if you guys don't know how to do this. Very simple setup. Rig, main camera. Left hand. You can skip to 5 you guys know how to do this. Alright, there we go. Now, you've got your VR player here. You're going to drag it onto the Gorilla player. You can delete it afterwards. And now you can see how it lines up. So now I can correctly line up my cosmetic just by saying this to 0. Yeah, you can line everything good. So for this, we're just going to do this. Okay, now you're going to click on your button, head down to this, says cosmetic to enable. You're going to change that to your cosmetic name, so mine is named just cosmetic. You're going to do the same for this. Just like that. And you're also going to want to drag it onto, so say I want it to be the head, I'll drag on main camera, so if it's a holdable left and right, drag it onto the main camera and just click this button to disable it and just delete that. Alright, now we go to play mode and test this real quick. Okay, now non-core seems to not be working. That's not very good, but I think it'll be fine. So when you get your hand, and I'm not very sure about non-core, why it's not working. Oh, it's paused. Oh. There we go. I'm sorry. Alright, should be good now. Okay, let's see if it works. Your time connected. Alright, that's good. Okay. So, we've got our Gorilla Rig. We're gonna drag it over here, and then when we press it, oh gosh, you see it enables when we press it, and then when we go over here, we put a hand into it, it disables, enables, disables, enables, disables, just like that, and it works. So you can do the exact same. If you want more cosmetics, just duplicate this, and let's say I want, let's just say I want a cube this time. Put it into the main camera, just like this, and rename it 2 or 1. It doesn't matter about the name. Then just disable it. Click on these two things. Oh yeah, you need to turn is trigger on. I don't think that really, I don't know why that didn't affect my thing. It should have, but we're good. So also just move the box color out if you really want to. I recommend doing that. Just like that. Okay, and then click on it, double click on that, well just click on one, then change it to the cosmetic name. Just wait for it to load. And you can now see the Gorilla spawns in. You go over here. Oh, we're going past it. As you can see, when our hand touches it, it enables. Go over here, disable, enable. And then if we go over here, we can also enable the cube and disable the cube. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a lovely day. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, goodbye.